Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from whatever part of the world you're watching me from. Welcome to another episode of Real Estate Talk with Realtor Egbusin. Just in case you're watching me for the first time, my name is Naweribo Egbusin and I am a real estate consultant and I am in the city of Lagos. So let's dive in. Today we'll be talking about initial deposits in real estate transaction. Initial deposits is simply the minimum amount of money an investor or home buyer makes in the process of purchasing real estate. It could be a house or a land. Sometimes initial deposit is being referred to as minimum deposit. Sometimes some people call it the first deposit. So, um, how much is the initial deposit? The initial deposit varies from developer or home sellers. Some people may require you to make a payment of 20% down payment, some maybe 50, some maybe 80% down payment. It depends, and like I said, it varies. Let's move forward. Now, after the payment of your initial deposit, you would be issued a contract of sale. Now, that is the point where the investor and the developer go into contractual agreement. Another thing I like us to talk about is the benefits of initial deposits. The benefits of initial deposits. So, one of the major benefits of initial deposit is that your initial deposit, the initial deposit clients make, allows them time to go and source for funds. Sometimes we meet clients and they are like, yes, they are really interested in this property, but they don't have all of the required funds to pay for the property. The initial deposit, which is the minimum amount of money they pay, allows them time to go and source for funds from maybe family and friends, sometimes relatives, sometimes um, they could get a loan from a bank. Another benefit of initial deposit is initial deposit allows you to pay the exact amount of money, even if there's a price increase or there's an increase in the value of the property, you still make the exact payment you agreed with the seller or developer. That is, if maybe within the time frame when you have gone into contractual agreement with a developer, and maybe within that time frame the value of the property increases, you are still bound to pay the exact amount. Okay, let me give a typical example. A property which is valued at 100 million, maybe you make an initial deposit of 50 million, and within that time frame there is an increase in the value of that property, you are bound to pay 100 million and nothing extra. I hope you get what I mean. What I mean here is, as long as you are within the contract, you haven't gone out, like maybe yes, the in the contract your agreement is you are going to pay 100 million. Okay, you make an initial deposit of 50 and you're going to pay 100 million in the month of July. As long as it doesn't exceed July, if you are within that time frame and the value of the property maybe increases to 150 million, you are bound to pay just the 100 million. Well, my in my real estate journey, I am always excited to see where my clients get value for their money, which is when I introduce you to a property and the value increases, within that time frame that you are making that payment, I'm usually excited because that's my job to make money for you. So that will be all for today. We are done with initial deposit in real estate transaction. I hope you got value for this. I would encourage you to please share this video with family and friends, and also just in case you want to purchase a property, or you have a friend or your friend's friend want to purchase a property, please be kind to recommend me. Also, please share this video. Thank you. Until we meet again, I remain Egbusin Naweribo, your favorite realtor.